Just going to take a quick look at this Tecboss blowtorch that's just arrived. I do a bit of 3D printing, and at times, depending on the print, you can get some sort of strands of filament that's left hanging. So I wanted a small blowtorch that was quite controllable to get into the little nooks and crannies, just to remove those little bits of fibres and what have you. So this is going to do the job just fine. A few things to note about this. You fill it at the bottom, as would be typical. I did need to use one of the adapters that came with my gas bottle. You don't get any gas included this, you need to pick up your own gas canister, and I did need to use one of the little adapters that's in the cap there, just to get that refilled. Without it, just with a standard nozzle on the end, it was coming out the gas. So but we're good to go now. So you can see there's a little sight glass with gas in there. Obviously there's the adjustment wheel on the bottom. It's currently set at minimum, which is what it tells you to fill at, and the end will rotate, so you can use that like a little gun if you need to, and rather than a little pencil. Okay, so it's currently set at minimum. I'll just turn the light off, and you can see the flame. Put it against something dark, and you can perhaps see. Try and not set fire to the thing, but you pull this trigger back, and then you slide this little button to the left. Okay, I'll turn a bit more gas on. Okay, that's locked on. So you can adjust the flame. That's probably about as low as that's going to go, and then we'll turn that up. So that's maximum. You can just quite see that there. A decent flame, and very thin, which is going to be pretty handy. So I'll just turn that back down a little bit. It's probably something like I'm going to want. And then of course you can still turn that like that. This won't support itself in that position, so don't try and balance that. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. Looks like it's going to be a useful addition. So I hope you found that useful.